Welcome back, children. Welcome to e-learning science classes. Today in this video, we will learn about rain, fog, snow, dew, frost and hailstones. So, let's get started. Let's start with rain. Due to the heat of the sun, evaporation takes place from sea, river, pond, etc. That means the evaporation is taking place on all the water bodies. The air along with the water vapor gets warm and rises up. As it goes higher up in the sky, it cools down. The water vapor condenses to form tiny drops of water. These droplets join together to form clouds. When the clouds pass through cooler air, they get further cooled. The water drops become heavier and fall to the ground as rain. So what happens? Due to evaporation, the water becomes water vapor and along with the air, it rises up. And when it goes up, then it gets cooled and forms cloud. Then when the clouds pass through cooler air, it gets further cooled and the tiny droplets of water becomes heavy and falls down as rain. So this is how clouds are formed and we get rain. So the water evaporates, then it condenses and forms clouds, and the clouds move towards the cooler air and gets further cooled, and the water drops become heavy and it gives us rain. So this is how rain is formed. Now what is snow? Have you all seen snow, children? Yes, snow. We have seen snow. Snow are white in color. So how is snow formed? When water vapor are cooled very fast, they freeze into tiny crystals of ice. They gather together and fall down in the form of snow. Generally, we find snow in colder areas. In hilly regions or the place where the temperature is very low. Now what is dew? On cold nights, the air near the ground cools down. The water vapor in the air condenses to form drops of water on leaves, flowers, grass, window panes. These tiny droplets are known as dew. You might have seen dew on the leaf surface, on your window panes, or on flowers, grass on cold days. Now what are hailstones? हिंदी में हम इसे पत्थर भी कहते हैं, बर्फ के पत्थर. Now how are these formed? When raindrops pass through very cold area, जब पानी की बूंद बहुत ही ठंडे एरिया से पास होती है, they freeze and form pellets of ice called hail or hailstones. Frost. On further cooling, the dew drops freeze to form ice crystal called frost. जो ड्यू है, हमें ठंडे के दिनों में हम ड्यू को देख पाते हैं, छोटे छोटे पानी के बूंद को पत्तों के ऊपर, फ्लावर्स के ऊपर हम देख पाते हैं. अगर ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाए तो ये जो ड्यू है ये फ्रीज हो जाते हैं एंड इट बिकम्स फ्रॉस्ट. इट लुक्स लाइक आइस क्रिस्टल. Now comes fog. फॉग को हम हिंदी में कुआसा कहते हैं. We see fog in winter season. Very good. Sometimes water vapor condenses on dust particles in the air just above the ground. Due to this, clouds are formed just above the ground. These clouds are called fog. So, fog are formed in winter season. The water vapor condenses and mixes with the dust particle and it forms cloud near the ground. These clouds are called fog. As you can see, because of fog, the area becomes dark. Now what is mist? Mist is similar to fog, but due to mist, the area does not become dark. Generally, we see mist on hilly regions, and mists are lighter than the fog. Fogs are more denser. As you can see in the picture, fogs makes the area very dark and we are not able to see the things around us. But mist is just opposite. It does not make the area dark. Fog is a thick cloud, whereas mist is a cloud of tiny water droplets suspended in the atmosphere. Fog does not allow us to even see nearer objects, but mist has a visibility above 1 kilometer. Fogs are denser, mists are less dense. So this was the difference between fog and mist. I hope you have understood the different wonders of nature. Thank you for watching.